Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. If you're looking for the best way to get a full body workout right in your own home, then you need to check out the best recumbent exercise bike. Whether you're an experienced fitness enthusiast or just starting out on your journey towards a healthy lifestyle, this machine offers easy-to-use adjustable settings and features that allow you to customize your workout and track your progress. With a comfortable, ergonomic design, you'll be able to ride in comfort while still getting an intense, low-impact aerobic exercise that won't strain your joints or cause injury. The best recumbent exercise bike 2023 is the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their fitness routine up a notch. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. So let's get started with the video. Number 5. Schwinn Recumbent Bike. Schwinn Recumbent Bike Series is the best recumbent exercise bike on the market for those looking for a comfortable, efficient, and adjustable workout. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity and a fully loaded console with dual-track blue backlit LCD screens, users can easily set, track, and monitor their progress with popular app-based tracking tools. Additionally, the bike offers 50-plus global routes that automatically adjust in real time to the user's speed. In terms of resistance levels, there are 25 different options ranging from light to intense for a wide range of workout intensity options. Additionally, the bike is telemetry heart rate enabled and has an ergonomically placed grip heart rate for a relaxed riding position when using a heart rate program. The seat of the Schwinn Recumbent Bike Series is ventilated and contoured with padded seat bottom and aluminum slider seat rail system with quick and easy lever. Lastly, it features a high-inertia perimeter-weighted flywheel for a smooth and quiet workout. Overall, the Schwinn Recumbent Bike Series is the perfect choice for anyone looking to invest in a quality bike that offers comfort, efficiency, and adjustable workout settings. Whether you're a senior or just want one for home use, this recumbent exercise bike provides all the features necessary for an effective and enjoyable workout experience. With its Bluetooth connectivity and adjustable settings, this bike is the best option for everyone. Number 4. Lanos Workout Bike for Home. The Lanos 2-in-1 Home Exercise Bike is the best recumbent exercise bike for home, apartment, and office use. No matter your age or fitness level, it's a great way to improve your mental and physical health. The bike has 10 levels of magnetic resistance, so you can customize your workout intensity. With a phone holder and LCD monitor, you can keep track of your progress. And best of all, it folds into a flat storage position for easy transportation and storage. Assembly is quick and easy. In about 20 to 30 minutes, you'll be ready to start pedaling. The included instruction manual and instructional video make the process even smoother. I was able to get the bike up and running in no time at all. The ride is smooth and quiet thanks to the precision-balanced flywheel, so you can enjoy your favorite TV show or listen to music while exercising. And with 2 different biking positions, you can switch between an upright position and recumbent exercise bike for seniors. I'm very pleased with the performance of this bike, and I'm so happy that I bought it. The Lanos 2-in-1 Home Exercise Bike is a great value, especially when you consider all the features you get. It makes exercising at home fun and easy, and helps to keep me motivated to stay fit. I would highly recommend this bike to anyone looking for a high-quality recumbent exercise bike. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and fun way to get in shape, the Lanos 2-in-1 Home Exercise Bike is the perfect solution. It offers all of the benefits of a gym workout, with the convenience of working out at home. Plus, it comes with a full satisfaction guarantee. Number 3. Nautilus Recumbent Bike R618. The Nautilus Recumbent Bike R618 is the perfect choice for anyone looking for an effective and enjoyable cardio workout. With its adjustable sightline console featuring dual blue backlit screens, users can easily set, track, and monitor their progress with popular app-based tracking tools. Furthermore, its dynamic recline, Nautilus gel seat, and multi-position handlebars with integrated incline and resistance controls make for a comfortable and customizable experience. With its optimized drivetrain featuring a high-speed, high-inertia drive system, users can enjoy smooth, consistent workouts. This bike features an impressive maximum user weight of 325 pounds and 3-piece chrome crank system with weighted pedals to ensure stability. It also includes a wireless heart rate chest strap, in addition to contact hand grips to monitor heart rate. Additionally, with the Explore the World subscription, Users can explore 50-plus global routes that auto-adjust in real time to your speed. For seniors or those looking for a home exercise bike, the Nautilus Recumbent Bike R618 is the best choice. Its comfortable, adjustable, and easy-to-use design make it a great option for all levels of fitness. Additionally, its enhanced Bluetooth connectivity ensures that users can track their progress with popular app-based tracking tools. The Nautilus Recumbent Bike R618 provides maximum comfort, convenience, and effectiveness during each exercise session. Whether you are a beginner or experienced fitness enthusiast, this is the best recumbent exercise bike for home and seniors alike. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Squat Rack. If you're looking for the best recumbent exercise bike for home, then look no further than the Sunny Health and Fitness Squat Rack. This machine is equipped with a variety of features that make it an ideal choice for anyone wanting to get in shape in the comfort of their own home. The Sunny Health and Fitness Squat Rack is a great option for seniors, as it has adjustable inseam height, ranging from 27 to 34, and an adjustable 8-level magnetic tension control system. This makes it easy to adjust the workout intensity level according to each user's fitness level. It also features handlebars with dual-position handle grips, so that even seniors with limited mobility can get a good workout. The Sunny Health and Fitness Squat Rack also comes with a large seat and back cushion, both of which are adjustable in height. This makes it comfortable for users of any size and shape to exercise on the machine. The low-profile design allows you to fit this bike into even the tightest of spaces. Thanks to its built-in transportation wheels, you can easily move it around your home as needed. Overall, the Sunny Health and Fitness Squat Rack is an excellent option for those looking for a quality recumbent exercise bike that can be used in the comfort and convenience of their own home. It is adjustable, comfortable, and portable, making it suitable for users of any age or fitness level. With its combination of features and affordability, the Sunny Health and Fitness Squat Rack is definitely one of the best recumbent exercise bikes available. Number 1. Ironman Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. The Ironman Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike is an excellent choice for seniors and those looking to exercise in the comfort of their own home. The bike's double-drive V-belt transmission system ensures a quiet ride, while its precision-balanced flywheel and 8 adjustable magnetic tension control settings make it easy to adjust the intensity of your workout. The large seat cushion and backrest make it comfortable for use, while its semi-recumbent design allows for easy entry and exit. The LCD display makes it easy to keep track of distance, calories, time, speed, and heart rate during your sessions. The bike also supports up to 300 pounds, so it's suitable for almost any user. The best part about the Ironman Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike is its foldable frame, which makes it easy to store in a closet or corner when not in use. It also features adjustable height desks to accommodate those who wish to use it as a desk bike. In conclusion, the Ironman Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike is an excellent choice for seniors or anyone looking to exercise in their own home. It features adjustable tension settings, a comfortable seat and backrest, and an easy-to-read LCD display to track your progress. Plus, its foldable frame makes it easy to store away when not in use. It's one of the best recumbent exercise bikes for seniors and home workouts alike.